Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to disable or enable third-party users to use your videos in their ad campaigns. So this is a very interesting setting in TikTok. You can't see this in, I think, any other social media platform. So to set this up, you go to the settings menu and here go to the second option, privacy. Just tap on the privacy menu. And at the personalization and data section, you will see this little switch which says ad authorization. Allow third-party advertisers to use your videos in ads, which is a very interesting setting. If you turn this on, then third-party companies probably can download your videos and use your videos as their ads for free, which is probably in some cases can make sense if you try to reach more people, and maybe you think that even if they don't pay you for your videos, it can grow your reach, probably, especially that with the basic TikTok download button, they can only download your videos with your ID on the screen with the watermark. So yeah, that can help you grow your audience, but I can respect the other opinion as well if you don't want your videos to be used for free. But here now you know how to turn this on or off, this option. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and liking this video. That would be really helpful for me. And see you in the next one. Bye.